Hello and welcome to Python for Data Science by Utkarsh Minds. Today we will see an important concept of data science which is of Python itself, which is scope of a variable. So opening our Colab notebook, colab.research.google.com, followed by clicking the new notebook button. Once the notebook is open, I will give the name lesson 12 and click connect. So this will be scope of variables. When I say scope, that means where will the variable exist and what will be its value. For example, there is a variable which I will call as name, and I will print here that when I print the name of then it will be displaying my name, which is Pranav. Then one more scenario is, let us say there is the name here and I am creating a function, and here I am printing the variable value with name and as well as printing it here. In that case, what will happen? It will print and I have not called the function, so I will call the function as well. And to give you an idea, this I will write inside function, and here I will write outside function. So one thing is clear, that there is the variable name can be displayed even inside function and outside function. Now let me introduce a small change here. I will have another variable. Let me call it last name, and I will assign value here, and I will type inside function last name, which will be my last name here, and same I will do. I will copy this below. I will write here outside function last name. Now let me see what happens, that inside function is executing, inside function last name is also executing, and outside function is also executing. The error is at this line, that the variable last name is not available outside the function. This is because it is out of scope. So I will write here out of scope, or I will write above this error out of scope, because this is only available inside the function. If you see these three lines, they are indented inside. So these are the three lines inside the function. Let me change this program and let me create a new variable here. I will use the keyword global, and now I will write last name is equal to Nerurkar. Now you can see that the keyword that I used is global, so this becomes available even outside the function, this variable name last name. So that means the keyword global can be used to increase the scope of the function. Now I will make a small change to the function itself. I will introduce here a variable name, and here I will pass Ravi. Now you will see that let us see what happens. So when I am passing this value here Ravi to this function, it is overwriting the name Pranav which is outside the function by Ravi. That means inside the function there is priority to this variable, and outside the function what is getting printed? It is Pranav. That means outside the function this value Ravi is not available, it is the value Pranav that is available. So this you have to understand that the variables inside the function are not available outside the function unless you write the value or the keyword global. It is not common that you should see many opportunities of using this global. Usually it is not safe also to use keywords like this because your data will be accessible from anywhere in the program. So I don't find many places where this keyword global can be used, but it is good to know this information. That is the reason we have told you. So keep practicing this, understand these programs. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to mention in the chat and we will solve it. So see you in the next video.